A fish drifting through a dead quiet patch of ocean suddenly looks like it's napping with its eyes open. But I'm the one watching it and wondering how anything survives where the water has almost no air. But the fish barely moves, which means it's saving every drop of energy so it doesn't waste the tiny bit of oxygen it can grab. So its blood grabs oxygen faster than mine ever could, which means even a thin trace is enough to keep it going. So it sinks lower to stay cool, which slows everything down even more. And that's why an anoxic zone feels like a place that should be empty. Yet it's full of creatures quietly hacking the rules of life. And if you want more wild tricks nature hides underwater,